Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can fix FragPunk doesn't launch or crashes on the startup. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. Just go to properties, go to installed files, go browse, and you will see the FragPunk application. Just right click it, go to the properties, compatibility, and click on compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and run this program as administrator. Click apply, OK, and that should fix your problem. And right here, if you go to binaries Win64 and scroll down a bit, if you see any FragPunk application right here, like this, go to the properties, compatibility again, click apply, and for this, it doesn't need to run as administrator, and for the client, make sure it runs on administrator and on the compatibility mode. And that's pretty much it. That's how you fix your problem. And if that doesn't work, go to the general launch options -dx11 and try launching it. If that doesn't work,